Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk has started to retrace from, well, the target area. So the price formed a, let's call it, healthy third wave. It reached the, well, first ideal target for a third wave, the 138% extension of the initial 1-2 setup in the yellow scenario here. So what we do, we measure the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2. I have to say though that this is not a clear 1-2 setup, okay? So this chart has several problems. Also the microstructure has several problems. It's just that because we have reached here the 1.38 extension, and due to the context, I'm still tracking a bullish scenario, and the context is potentially bullish due to the initial 5-wave rally, which was quite clear between the April low and the May high, all right? Then a pullback, which also formed a higher low, so a 1-2 setup. And now this could be the beginning of a third wave rally to the upside, which should take us eventually to 123.9566, the 138% extension of the larger 1-2 setup. So in this case here, I'm watching something, not entirely sure what it is. It is corrective, but it has a chance to form 5 waves in the yellow scenario. We don't know, of course, but the price has reacted before here to this larger support zone, which is still relevant. So this is for the larger wave 2 correction after a wave 1 topped in May. But then obviously we had another higher low here with this micro support area. I can take that box off the chart now, has no use. We were then tracking this trend line towards the upside target area here, starting at 317.525. With the trend line as indicator of when this uptrend is breaking. So we've got all these signals. And when the price reached that 138% extension, I added a target, or let's call it rather support zone, for this wave 4 to the chart, and we're nearly there. We're nearly there, and you could even say we nearly, well, we basically touched it. Not quite, but we're nearly there. And the wave 4 support zone is between 231,800 and 267,992. It's important that this support zone is holding for a 5th wave up to occur, because only then I can call it really a 5-wave move if we form one more high to at least the 1.618 extension at 349,835, better the 1.786 extension at 374,602. That would be the 5th wave. So, but it needs to hold the golden ratio level here, the 61.8 retracement, 231,800. Because anything below that would be too deep for a 4th wave, and then yeah, it's gonna be messy. And due to the rally we've had, this looks like a 3-wave rally, so it might be just a B wave top then, and we form another low actually and reach that overall lower support region, which would then mean that this is a larger wave 4 that's still unfolding. Actually, the current idea is that this larger wave 4 that you see here on the chart as alternative, if we break below this support zone here that served us quite well in recent months, if that support level breaks here, it's 161,464, then the thesis changes, and this wave 4 that likely bottomed on the 13th of April is probably still unfolding, and that means quite a strong move down, so ideally not. This could really turn into anything. That's the problem, because it's only a 3-wave move up, but we have some clear parameters to watch. So as long as we're holding now in our support zone here, the upper support zone, this micro support zone, I'm going to watch for one more high. Really, that's as far as it goes. I think, if this is a wave 4, then this here might just be the A wave. We're waiting for a B wave bounce and then a C wave down. So it could be something like that. A wave down, B wave bounce, C wave. It could be close to a bounce now, given that it already nearly reached that micro support zone. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.